Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make this card, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up! Products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description. Today I'd like to share with you my last paper pumpkin alternative card using the June 2021 paper pumpkin kit called Expressions in Color. These are the original projects that you can create with this kit. If you're interested in watching me unbox this video or see any of my other alternative projects, you can click on the top right corner and it will take you to the playlist. Today I'm sharing with you my exclusive card that I've created to send out to my Paper Pumpkin subscribers. Each month I send an exclusive card kit to my Paper Pumpkin customers. If you're interested in getting this exclusive perk, please use the link in the description box below to sign up to receive your own Paper Pumpkin kit. So this card is a really beautiful and simple card, and I've kind of centered it around the in colors for 2021-2023. And so the card that I'm going to be creating today has the fresh freesia background. This one is the soft succulent background. And then I'll show you some of the other colors, the other in colors as backgrounds as well. So let's begin with our stamping. I've got a piece of basic white cardstock, and it's 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and I'm going to be stamping the images from the stamp set that came in the Paper Pumpkin kit, as well as the ink spots that came in the kit. So I'm going to start with kind of the splotchy watercolor image, and I'm stamping off first in Bumblebee and then stamping onto my cardstock, and this gives me a lighter color. And so then I can also stamp other images on top and have those be darker. And I'm using my larger stamp pad for this. And I'm stamping about a 1/2 inch from the left edge. Next, I'm going to take some of the other floral images that are also part of the kit, and I'm going to just stamp those randomly inside of this section that I created. So I just did the large flower. I'm going to do a couple small flowers on top and maybe a couple down at the bottom. And then I've got the little tiny circle image that's also part of the stamp set. And I'm going to just kind of randomly stamp that as well down the card. I'm going to add another one just up there, maybe with another little flower. Okay. So the next thing we're going to stamp is the greeting, and in the kit that I'm sending to my customers, there will be included a 1/2 inch strip, and you can use any greeting on your cards. I'm going to do this one with congratulations, and you're just going to go ahead and stamp that in the center of your strip, and then you'll take a pair of paper snips and just trim it on the side. And I stamped that in Evening Evergreen. Then I'm just going to take one of the dimensionals and cut that in half and add that to the bottom of my card. And I'm just going to place it down here in this middle, kind of an open area there, right in the center. And then make sure it's nice and straight. And then in the kit, there will be a coordinating ribbon color that goes with the cardstock color you have. And it's 16 inches, and you just need to take it and tie a knot. So you're not tying a bow with it. It's just a nice simple knot to go with our simple card. And you're going to keep it on the left side of the cardstock. And then you can go ahead and rotate it down. So you rotate it by holding both the front and the back, and you rotate it down to where you want it, and then just kind of slide it a little bit underneath the greeting. And then you can take the ends and just trim it at an angle so it's to the length that you like for your cards. So it'll look something like that. Then just add a little adhesive to the back. Make sure to go over the ribbon in those corners so that it doesn't come off your card at all. And then that gets added to a card base of a matching color. So this is Fresh Freesia cardstock. We've got Fresh Freesia ribbon, and we've used the Bumblebee ink pad and the Evening Evergreen ink pad that came in the kit. And the very last thing you're going to add are some embellishments. And I've got the 2021-2022 in colors. And so they kind of coordinate with the colors that we're using for these cards. And so you just go ahead and add as many as you want. Your kit's going to come with 10. So you're going to have 2 of every color. And so you can definitely have fun and choose some fun color combinations for your cards. Okay, so it will end up looking something like this. And then I said I'd show you what the other in colors look like. In your kit that you receive from me, you could have any of these colors, and I would give you 2 different ones. And so this one is the polished pink. I think it looks so pretty with that bumblebee yellow. And here is the Evening Evergreen, which matches the ink color. Then you have Pale Papaya, which is just a nice subtle color. And then again, we did the Soft Succulent and the Fresh Freesia. You've already seen those 2. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this fun and simple card today. For more information on getting your own paper pumpkin kit, you may click on my blog, or to sign up, click on the paper pumpkin link in the description below. For written instructions on how to create this card or close-up images, you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.